Now, what are we going to do about this? I went to the store. I got a plate with a hole in it. And that's what we're going to do here. Now, these holes don't line up with the holes in the box. They thought of that, and so what you do is you put this in first, okay? You screw that in, and then there's other screws there that fit on the back side of that, okay? So that's how that works. Now, you remember, got this cord in. I got electrical tape over there. I got to pull that off because I didn't want insulation or anything inside the wall to get in there. So pull that off. And I've got to get that through there. And this DVD cord, you remember? Look at this. Got these 3 ends here. There's no way I'm going to cut those ends off and do anything. And you see that hole? It's not even big enough to put one in. So I got my work cut out for me. I'm going to have to make this hole bigger. And I've got a rasp bit on my drill. And I'm going to ream that out. But I have to remember about this. Whichever way I put that, I don't want to make this hole too big to seam because I might get into the back there. So I want to look at that. See that? I can only go to one side a little bit. Then I have to elongate the hole over a little bit, one way or another, because see, I can flip this around either way. Okay, so this hole is going to be elongated a little bit, and then it's just trial and error, because I don't have to get it. I don't have to get the hole that big. You know what I mean? If I put one in first, then I push that off to the side. Then I can put the next one in, put that off to the side, the next one. You know what I mean? So it's just going to be a little trial and error working on that. And here's the tool I'm going to use. It's just a rasp. And I'm going to put that in my drill. And that's just going to eat that plastic all up. And this one's getting pretty dull. If you've been watching my channel, I said that next time I went to the store I'd get another one. And I forgot. But this still has some bite to it. And we're only going through plastic, so I'll be fine. I got that cover in there. And see the holes, I had to make the hole bigger. You remember, to get these through here. Now, once I get this all situated and I know exactly where I want this, I could fill that up with white caulking or something like that. I don't want to, or I could even leave it like that, but you know, it's going to be behind the cabinet when we get all done. But here's my TV cable. You remember, I'm going to just screw that into here because there was that stud there. If this was in the same bay, I could have pulled that out and put everything on the back side, put that on the inside of the wall, connected it, and put a blank plate over it, you know. But it's not how it happened, did it? There's different ways to do it. Now, you see, this is no different than plugging in your TV with just this behind a dresser, because there's only going to be so tight you can get that. Okay? So now I can push the rest of this back up the wall. Pull that up a little bit, maybe. Like that. And I can have it like that. I could leave it just like that if I wanted. Pull it down a little bit if I want. That, I could have it like that. And like I say, you're never going to see that because it's going to be behind the cabinet. Another thing I could do is, because the cord is long enough, I can pull some out like that. And I can drape it down. could drape it down like that if I want. Or I could roll it up or something, you know, like that. I could put a little zip tie over that and leave it like that. You know? However you want to do it, you can do it. However you want. No problem. You're never going to see that. And if later on you decide to push it back up there further, you can just push this up and then it's just going to go up in the wall cavity. You know, however you want to do it, it's fine.